natin, tapos ganito yung matatagpuan mong lalaki para sa'yo. You deserve that, girl. Congratulations agad, kahit wala pang yes. Oh my God!
Naluluha ka.
Wala pa.
Wala pa.
Mauuna pa? Mauuna pa ako?
Ayan na! Sinasabi ko na eh! Ma! Teka lang, birthday po talaga ni Donna to. Oh my God. All my life. Ano to? Ate, pwede pa hawak na lang ako.
Sana.
Uy, bakit kayo ganyan? Dito birthday ni Donna! Nakakainis kayo! Hala!
You came along, just like a song.
Uy!
After a long day,
Nakakahina! Nahihiya ako!
sitting beside you, don't have to try. Be some other person.
Sabi ko na eh.
Everything was wrong, and you came along.
Nakakainis ka!
Sorry for the long day.
Nakakainis
Sorry
ka!
for the long day. I know it's been a long day.
Asan yung kids?
Huh? They're here. So, Proverbs 18:22 says that he who finds a wife finds a good thing and obtains favor from the Lord. I believe God brought us together as a token of his love for us. I'm truly blessed to call you my best friend, my lover,
Bakit ganyan?
and my biggest supporter. So I hope that you feel the same way towards me. I want to continue to build a Christ-centered relationship in which I will lead and serve you with the best of my abilities. Your genuine, loving, compassionate heart are the crown of your beauty. You and the kids are my home, and I can't imagine life without y'all. With that being said, I brought all of our friends, family, loved ones here today to bear witness and ask you one thing. Zainab Harake, would you make me the happiest man in the world?
Oh,
Will you marry me?
yes!
You came along, babe, just like a song, babe. After a long day, sitting beside you, I don't have to try and be some other person. Everything was wrong, and you came along.
I love you and the kids.
I love you! I love you so much. Ano din yung mga bata?
Yes, of course. Yes, of course. Come here, Kuya.
The plans we make and chances we take. I feel everything.
Are you happy? Yes? Say yes?
Good job. Good job, kids.
Quiet confidence and trusting every step. And we know that our faith will get us through.
I love you. Yeah.
You deserve it, Ray. You deserve it. I wish you all the best.
I love you, Pop.
Hey, you are taking the best pearl we have in the family. Take care of this Jordan.
Yes,
No,
Lord.
definitely.
Thank you so much for your blessing.
We won't hesitate. It's the first day. It's the first page. Our story starts